Operation Recovery Central, forward command. And go ahead.
G4, 2813 is on Schreck Road, orders.
13, come on in, hand stretch line 20, up to 521.
Copy. Supply line to 421. You want 13 staging on the road now?
Yeah, you can get off to the side of the road far enough with the tankers fire.
Copy, Chief. I have 2 pack guys and a couple incident command coverage. Need those as well.
Okay, I need you 2 pack guys up there. We're going to have them follow our 2 lines that are already in.
Copy. Chief 22 2011, did you copy water supply orders?
Take it up, repeat that.
The ponds on Schreck Road should be in the area of the structure right now. Okay, we'll get you a supply line out. I'm going to ask these people to get their cards out of the way. Hey, get those.
3326, 2813, where's your